Hey, what's going on, family? What is going on? I'm back at you with another one. Hey, so look, let's jump straight into it. And I'm really trying to help some people out. Anytime that you're trading, if you are not disciplined and when you are trading, you will not make it in this market. Meaning, you should have a notebook with all of your rules written because as people in this market, we get emotional. Even the best traders get emotional. You can get emotional when you are trading. So, like for instance, say for example, if I lose $1,000, I'm not gonna like that. Period. And what I want to do is continue to trade to try to make that money back. But the rules that I have written down, if I'm following those rules, is protecting me, and that way I don't just be caught up in my feelings. So you have to have rules written down. Look, I got stuff on my refrigerator. I got just stuff everywhere dealing with forex to help me become disciplined when I am trading. If you're not disciplined, look, I know someone that has a way better mind and a better strategy. Well, not a better strategy, but know how to use the strategy I'm using much better than me, but they're not profitable. And the reason that they're not profitable is because they don't have the discipline to, make money in the market. And I am going to show you a strategy. I'm going to teach you how to, from a higher time frame, and how to capitalize on a smaller time frame move. So I'm definitely going to teach you that. So you have to be disciplined. Then another thing is when you got a mentor and a mentor teaches you a strategy. When your mentor teaches you a strategy, if you lose 7 or 8 times in a row, do not give up or quit on that strategy. Do not give up or quit on that strategy. Keep going. It was times where I would win 5 times and lost about 20. I lost count when I kept losing. I'm sitting at the chart numb. Like, bro, why I keep losing? I keep doing the strategy. Then you know what I said? Bro, it's the strategy, bro. Like, it got to be the strategy. Because I can't be this dumb to not to be able to get it. And the whole time it was me. So even when I didn't want to be on the chart, I was numb. Like, I'm just on the chart, just clicking and I'm clicking. I'm watching videos. I'm practicing on my craft, and then I got that click moment, that aha moment. And when I got that aha moment, now I said I need to push harder. I need to push harder. I need to stay more focused. I need to, do what I need to do. So that's the first thing. You got to stay consistent to one strategy. Don't be hopping to this strategy, this strategy, this strategy, this strategy. No, one strategy. Because if you don't stick to one strategy and you're not disciplined, then you're gonna be cooked. You're gonna be cooked. Like it's gonna be over for you. So what I suggest is get you a notebook or a poster or vision board, whatever, to can help you maintain a consistency in it. So if I lose, I got rules to say if I lose such and such, if I lose 2 trades, I just turn off the computer and get off the trade. And then the next day when I come back, I'm able to clearly think. So that's part of my rules. Or if I win on one trade, like a big amount. So just say if I win a big amount on one trade, in my rule book, it say you are done. So I just want to lead that and hope that helped you. But I promise you, you got to be disciplined. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna jump into it. How to catch the higher time frame wave. So as you see Price made a big push, and when Price made this big push, I know it's not us, the retail traders, that is causing the market to move. So since I know that, that lets me know like the big major corporations are inside of the market at that time. So since I seen that, we also are breaking structure to the high. Show y'all this. And as we're breaking structure to the high, we get a pullback into our demand area. And this is on my 1 hour. So once we get a pullback into our demand area, now I'm expecting that this level to hold, and I'm expecting price to go up from this key level right here. Why? Because this is where the big push has started, and the big investors came back to this area. So when they came back to this area, I'm looking for them to shoot up. So what I do is when I go down to my lower time frame, I need to see structure being broken on the 5 minute, just like the 1 hour. I have to see that structure. Right now we're bearish, so I'm not taking no trades off that key level. So we're gonna play it out. All right, we got a break of structure on the lower time frame. So now, and then we got a crossing of the moving average. Now that's giving me confidence that price wants to continue to go up. But what is the rule? You want to buy low and you want to sell high. So since price already took off, I'm not looking to get in this move. I'm waiting for the pullback. So let's see if we get a pullback. And let's see if we get more break of structure. All right, so we got more break of structure. So now that we have more break of structure, I am confident that price is respecting the 1 hour because it's breaking structure on a key level on the 1 hour, like the 5 minute. So this 1 hour level is showing me that it wants to hold, and we just gonna play it out. And you see that? I went kind of fast. I'm gonna rewind it. See, once we broke structure, the first break of structure was here. And then when price came back and broke more structure to the upside up here and then pulled back, I already knew that the possibility of price going up, I already knew the possibility because look, because if you go down to the, when you go up to the 1 hour, the higher time frame, this is a key level. So what validated this level for me is the break of structure on the 5 minutes. So once I had the break of structure on the 5 minutes, here, let's rewind it. Man, I'm telling you, I'm gonna give y'all free value, man. It's crazy. I'm gonna start dropping a lot of free value. So once this first break of structure came, that gave me like, okay, now we may be respecting it. But I needed, remember, you buy low and you sell high. So I needed, since this is high and already took off and broke structure, I'm waiting for a pullback. Because the pullback could do this right here. Let me show you. Price could come back down and go all the way. Oh, that's ugly. See, price could come all the way back down from this area and do that. So I don't want to be caught up in that because this is still a 1 hour higher time frame. So this is still the 1 hour, time frame. So it could come back and then shoot up. So I needed to make sure that it didn't do that. So I needed to see it break more structure. So this area right here, if it breaks this structure, that means we're pushing to the upside and it's respecting the higher time frame 1 hour. See? All right, so now we have a break of structure, but we're still high. I need another pullback. And once I get my another pullback, now I'm able to enter. Uh-oh. I went fast again. My bad. So here we're gonna break this down. So once I see price go up, I know that it respected the 1 hour, and let's see how many pips that it moved up to. So we'll say from here to here. See, that was a 49 pip. And that's, I mean, hopefully it help you out, man. But once you learn this and learn how to trade off higher time frame key levels, I promise you, your trading is gonna be accurate. Like, you're gonna be off the charts making a lot of money. A lot of people think like, oh, I just be posting a random pics and that. No, I understand the skill. I understand my strategy. I don't switch here. I don't go back and forth. I stick with my strategy, and I know how much do I need. Like me personally, I would have never held all the way up here. I would have held about right here, and this would have been enough for me right here. Just from here, look, go here, see about like right here. This is enough for me. I don't need all of that, and that's part of discipline. And I know that people want to hurry up and grow their account, get it big fast. I know people want to, grow this account and really get paid. And I know it's hard, but like I said, if you got $1,000, you need to be only looking to make about $20 per trade, $20 to $15 per trade. So it is helping you with your discipline, and you're slowly growing your account. So when you get a big account, you can be disciplined and you don't over leverage it. When you see other people over leveraging 9 out of 10 times, I mean, that's not a real account. Or they may have another account, and they may be a smaller account that they're flipping, that they're over leveraging. But if $500 is your biggest account, you need to be disciplined to that. So I'm telling you, I'm trying to really help somebody, man. I hope this video helped. I'm gonna keep dropping fire like this, but look, just go back, practice, and back test this, and I promise you. So look, I'm out, and y'all stay blessed.